from Chennai. I'm working with Karur Vaishya Bank. So previously, I don't know from when I had thyroid, but we have diagnosed it before 11 years.
Thyroid
So
from
since,
11
yeah, I had from 11 years. And in first pregnancy, I had gestational diabetes. And after that, my levels were normal. But in last year, September, I was diagnosed with corona. My whole family was affected by corona. And post that, my health started degrading. So I was affected by diabetes as well, and my HbA1c levels got increased. My fasting blood sugar and PP both have got increased. So at that time, I have consulted doctor, and doctor said that medications can help only to some extent. You have to reduce your weight, and you have to make changes in your diet for you to have a good health again. So I used medicines for 1 or 2 months, but it didn't work out, and my levels didn't come down. So at the same time, I was in very frustration mode. Why this left? Slowly, my skin complexion, my health, I have become very lazy. Everything has come down. My spirit, everything has come down. At the same time, I was thinking to wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning. And the next day itself, I have come across your ad in FB for MBM. So just I had a thought with my husband, and he was saying, "Yeah, okay, if I want you to wake up early morning." So before that, I used to wake up only by 7:30 or 8 a.m. So I just wanted to give a chance, and I tried it. And from day one, various new things were taught in MBM. Some of the things might be known to us, but we don't know that will work effectively and how to put it into action. So from day one itself, I started taking notes of each and everything, the story time or the tips for meditation, affirmation, and I had a separate book for my MBM program. I use it to document everything, all the stories, and each and everything. Until now, I have that book with me, and I will be going through it weekly once, 15 days once, or monthly once, ma'am. Yeah, and after seeing this change in myself, then I thought to go for the next step. So why should not I transform myself completely? Why should I not change myself? And I have given a try and subscribed to your Rise and Shine program, ma'am. So because of MBM program, I was able to wake up by 5 o'clock in the morning. And you have told about the pillow talk. And from second day onwards, I started implementing it. And from third day, I was able to wake up even without alarm by 3:30 or 4 a.m. in the morning.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. And the same is being continued till now. And even for some weekends also, I will feel full energetic and I will wake up early in the morning. Only if I feel low, then I will be taking rest on weekends. And major transformation happened for me in Rise and Shine program. So first I was concerned about my health. So when I have come to know about savers um, and scribing, etc., I have started implementing a technique and I have started maintaining separate book for gratitude, separate book for Rise and Shine program, and separate book for story time. And I use different color pens to make my affirmations very attractive so that each and every day my subconscious mind will take it very easily. And I have made a note of all the things which I have to do daily, which I have to do once in a week, which I have to do once in a month, and lifelong things. And I'm keeping on changing my affirmations. As soon as I think my subconscious mind is able to get that thing and it got that thing, I'm changing my affirmations to the next thing. And the first thing I did in scribing was about my health, ma'am. I wanted to get back my health. I wanted to repair each and every part of my body. Just as a newborn baby, how the life will be given by God, I wanted to go back to that stage. And that thing I have written. And I have inquired about various diet programs and everything. But each and everything had a side effect in it. So I started scribing it that I want to reach my ideal weight. I want to reduce my HbA1c levels. And I had thanked the universe for giving me all those things. as you said. Yeah.
So you scribed, like already you got it.
Yeah. Already I got it. I scribed like already I got it. And to my surprise, the next day, it's only on the first of writing this, the next day itself, I have found one of my friends in Facebook, my BTech friends, that she has become a nutritionist. And I have consulted her. And then I have come to know that she has become a part of a worldwide nutritionist who are supporting a large number of people. And she alone, till now, has guided 2000 plus people all over the world, ma'am.
Wow.
Yeah. And they are following organic diet completely, which will not have any side effects and which will cure our body from each cell. So that the root cause will be, and the root cause will be analyzed by itself and we will get healed for everything. I was really such blessed and I was very thankful to you for that, ma'am. Only because of your technique, she has been my friend, but till then, even I don't know that she has been into that field. Only after scribing, then I have come to know. Yeah, only after that I have come to know. And continuing this diet was only possible because of your Rise and Shine program, the techniques. And daily I'm following Savers, Smarty, everything, ma'am. My timetable will be fixed in the morning, and no one in the family will disturb me from 4 to 8 a.m. And I have completely, yes, ma'am. Since
Give that time to yourself completely undisturbed.
yeah, completely to me, ma'am. I won't involve into any task. Only this routine, ma'am. Only the routine which Shilpa ma'am has taught me.
Tell me from 4 to 8 the routine that you follow. That does that include your yoga, exercise, everything that you do? You do that, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I will be having 1 hour yoga. The morning first, I will complete my savers and Smarty routine. After that, yoga. So when I was in Rise and Shine program, I used to go for video for the day. So as you suggested, I didn't run through the videos. As soon as one technique was taught, I stopped the video then and there. I have noted the points, I have followed it, and only when it was accustomed to me, then I have moved to another technique, ma'am.
Very
And
good.
it was the reason for my success.
Absolutely. They're taking action, pausing the video, writing until unless you know that
Yes, ma'am.
expert. Brilliant. Amazing. That's the right.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And since I used to wake up early in the morning, I was able to follow my diet as well. I was able to consume more water, hot water in the morning, time for myself, for self improvement and improving health. So, yeah. And because of all this, now my complexion has changed. My
Come back.
HbA1c is normal.
Normal.
And
Okay.
yeah,
What were the levels before?
I think 8.6, ma'am.
Okay.
And now it's 5.
It's fine. Okay.
Yeah, and due to this, from day one of the diet program, I didn't use any medication, ma'am. We have to stop everything and we have to follow the diet. But I had such willpower because of your program. I have determined my mind that I can survive without medicines for my whole life.
Yeah, you understood that everything is starts from mind, and when you work
Yeah,
on your mind, your immune system becomes stronger, and
yes, ma'am.
works on you with a positive frame of mind, with that belief, with that faith, everything. It changed at a
Yeah,
cellular
yes.
level for you. So
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
and your weight. Do you want to tell about your weight loss that you've done naturally?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So we have completely avoided all the junk food and completely only organic diet that will be suggested by them, ma'am. And it's a complete cure for everyone so that my thyroid has become normal, weight loss, inch loss, my fair complexion, and flat belly in 1 month. And
Yeah,
everything was possible with my determination, ma'am.
with your determination, right? And you enjoyed doing it, right? Did that come
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
difficult thing, or was it like naturally easy flowing, easy?
No, I had a strong will that I have to change for myself. And they have made me to go through the awareness, science awareness that happens in our body. So why do we get all these degenerative diseases? What's the main cause? So which routine you have to follow to get back your health? After going through this awareness session, I was very much inspired, and I was very much happy to transform my health with nutritionist suggestion, and to transform my whole life with Shilpa ma'am's suggestions, ma'am. Both happened simultaneously in my life.
I totally understand this. Like, that is so amazing. And the thing is, you are working, right? You have a baby.
Yeah, it's ma'am.
You are a banker.
Yeah, it's ma'am.
Yeah, which is such a stress job and demanding job in itself. How many hours do you
Yeah, it's ma'am.
work timings?
Uh, Work timings will be some around 10 hours, ma'am. 10 to 11 hours.
10 to 11 hours. So,
Yeah,
guys,
it's ma'am.
all of you who are listening, look at her. She is working 10 hours. She is a banker. She has a baby. How old?
Two babies, ma'am.
Two
Two,
babies.
7 and off and 4 and off, ma'am.
7.5 and a 4 year, 4.5, 2 kids. And in spite of that, she gives 4 hours to herself by just waking up. And, before the world wakes up, she wakes up and work on her health, on her mind, basically changing herself. And see, she's cured such big diseases without medicines. It's so amazing. I'm so happy for you, Himani. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. I am very much thankful to you as well, ma'am.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. And you're manifesting. I see your post in our group.
Yeah.
Some or the other thing you're manifesting. You are into the mirror.
Yes, ma'am. So in the beginning, just when I started Rise and Shine program, I was waiting for a single thing which changes my mind completely. So you will be saying that we have to be detached from our desires, and just you go with the sequence and follow it. But somewhere I had some attachment to my desires, and I was waiting for one single incident where I can completely detach from my desires. And the first thing that has happened is consulting my friend regarding my health. And the second thing, what I did is the 55 into 5 technique is awesome for me, ma'am. On the first day itself, everything is manifesting for me. And once I have written, I wanted to purchase a flat. I think in one of the live sessions I have shared with you. Even though we are searching many flats, we were not able to find the one because we wanted one to be in the prime area near to the school, so that it will be easy for my parents as well to take care of kids since we both are working. And the first 55 into 5 I have done is for purchase of my house, ma'am.
Oh, and that came true within.
Yeah, I'm about to tell that, ma'am.
Okay,
I
tell.
have written it and I have left it, ma'am. I have forgot it completely. And after that, we have searched 2 or 3 flats, and one Vastu was not compliant, and another one, due to some reasons, my husband didn't like it since there was a mobile tower, and it's not good for health for kids and family. So I have completely left my desire, and I thought not to go back for it in search of the flat in my lifetime. But on Vijay Dasami, I have come across some ad, ma'am, in Facebook. And so I thought, okay, why can't I give a try to this? Just I have given an inquiry, and he also didn't respond for next 2 or 3 days. I left it. On one fine day, he only called back and he said that this flat is still available. Do you want to see? Since the time we went and saw, I didn't know that the flat was some 4 to 5 houses distance away from school.
Exactly what you wanted.
Yeah, really, it was unexpected. And in the next street itself, we have all the grocery shops. And in the walkable distance, we have bus stand. In walkable distance, we have railway station. And it was near to office than the distance we have now.
Amazing. So right now you're in the house?
No, ma'am. Actually, yeah, my husband too liked it, and it was the greatest wonder. And everything is fine. And our housing loan is under process now, ma'am. And 90% construction is over, and most probably in this month end or in December, we will be shifting to our new flat, ma'am.
Congratulations. Once you shift, share the pictures in the group, okay?
Yeah, sure. I'll be sharing the pictures and video, ma'am. And this was possible only because of 55 into 5 technique, ma'am.
Yeah. So
And
tell
also in my, yeah,
was saying something. Please say.
no, and also in my gratitude book daily, I use it to thank universe. Even before seeing this flat, after completing my 55 into 5 daily, I use it to write all these things. I have to reach my, thank you for reaching my ideal weight of 51 kg. Thank you for reducing my HbA1c levels. Thank you for beautiful home with beautiful interiors and furniture. Thanks to Shilpa ma'am, Alekia, my family members. Everything I use it to thank everyone, and I use it to thank universe for giving all this, ma'am. And that is happening one by one in a sequence.
So tell me, every day you say that you are you have a gratitude journal separately. So every day
Yes.
you to universe, you say thank you. So every day, what do you write? What comes to your mind? Is it some follow that day? I will say thank you for this. Tomorrow I'll do this. What is it that you write, or just what
Uh,
your
so,
mind?
so actually, first I will say good morning to the universe, and I like Sai Ram, my God, ma'am. So I will say thank you and good morning to both for another new day. And I was also a part of your Triple MB program, and I have completed it. So
Yes.
next I will be writing the switch words, ma'am.
Switch.
After that,
Okay. So
yeah.
write whatever you are inspired to.
No, this is the common thing which I do daily.
Daily.
And after that, I'll be writing about my health and my dream home, everything. And I'll be thanking all the people who are supportive to me, including you, my family members, friends,
All right.
everything. And after that, for my specific desires, if I want anything to come true, that I will be thanking in advance to the universe, ma'am. For
Oh,
that particular day, if I have any intention for the day, or if I want any tasks to be completed,
okay.
and
That's amazing.
and yes, ma'am.
So Himanshu, one more thing is like you said that you were detached from your desire. So your number one desire was your health, burning desire, right? You wanted to
Yes, ma'am.
and all. So how did you detach yourself? Like a lot of people have this question, like how to detach ourselves and not think about the results. And all. So how did you detach yourself?
Ma'am, actually, I started practicing everything that you said, ma'am. And seriously, I am unaware how it happened for me. After 1 month of practice, what happened is I will be a completely different person from 4 to 8 a.m.
Go to it.
Only my subconscious mind will work in that time, ma'am. Nothing else will come into my mind. And after 8 a.m., I really forget what I did in the morning. It looks like a completely different environment for me in the morning time, ma'am.
I totally agree. Same with me also. What I do from 4 to 8 after whole day, I don't remember what I did. It's a complete different energy. I am also in. Thank you for bringing this up. I like, yeah, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what.
And in my thing to purchase flat, the first step happened after I have written 55 into 5 on the first day, ma'am. So in that point of time, I thought, okay, then what Shilpa ma'am has taught is correct, and we have to follow it. And from that point of time, I left everything and the result to universe, and I just started practicing. And I have also become a proactive person, and my intuition is also saying things for me, which may happen in future
All
and
right.
which I have to do today. If I do this, it will be good for me.
Ah,
And I'm following my intuition, and everything is happening in the same way, ma'am.
wow. So happy. When you work sit in silence, when you work on yourself, your intuition also sharpens. Tell this.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you want to sharpen your intuition and want like how to trust your intuition, your gut, then you need to spend time with yourself. Go inside. That's what is happening. Yay, Maja! Thank you so much. Any last few lines you want to leave the audience with? That they
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So actually, all the three programs had a different effect on me. MBM has made me to wake up early morning by 3:30 or 4 a.m. And Rise and Shine has transformed me completely into a different person. And Triple MB has changed my mindset. On the second day of Triple MB, actually we have gone to see the flat and it got okay, ma'am. And all the Saturday live sessions that you are doing, they are really very magical and give us a lot of insights. And also one more thing, my younger one was ill, ma'am. Before months she was very ill and she had some viral fever, and we have consulted 2 to 3 doctors for medication, and none of the medicines have worked. Then I thought, why shouldn't I try 55 into 5 to heal my baby's health? And I started writing it. And in the afternoon itself, her fever has come down.
Oh, you're
And she was normal from next day. So which was not possible in the 1 week because of doctors. But which I did in 55 into 5 and meditation that day morning. It has worked on my daughter, ma'am. Then I was really very much completely 300% I got detached from all my disease, and I just believe to start and go ahead, ma'am. And sometimes I use it to ask you that I don't know the purpose of my life. I don't know the purpose of my life. Then you told me that you complete your Rise and Shine program, post which you will be able to know the purpose for your life. So after going through this transformation journey, I thought that for a person, the mindfulness and health is the major important thing, ma'am. Only because of these both they can achieve anything in their life. And I have decided I am now very much passionate to become an inspiration and role model for everyone to become mindfulness person and to have a healthy body, ma'am, and which gives us a healthy mind as well. And this is my purpose of life. I have come to know after Rise and Shine program.
Yes, you are the channel through which God has chosen you to spread this message, and you are yourself, you are inspiring. You've undergone that transformation, so you will be the best person to help so many people around. Awesome. All the best, Himaja, and you'll do so good. So I'll tell you, let's brief the whole session. What are my takeaways? Number one is I love the idea of having separate journals for everything so that your mind clarity and you can refer back to your notes in an easy organized manner. I love the way how you attracted right opportunity into your life by working on yourself, on your mind, by waking up early, being inside hours devoted for yourself, and that's why you got right people into your life. And I would love from everyone who is listening to this interview to comment below what are your biggest takeaways from the whole interview that you just heard. Thank you so much, Himaja, and see you soon. All the best. Lot of blessings.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.